All right, so 1, 4, 29. So the first thing, so this Greek letter sigma, it means you're supposed to add up all of the answers you get. If J starts at 1, and then you do 2, and then you do 3, and etc., until J is 10 in that sequence. So just to kind of see what that really means. So when J, hello, when J, blue doesn't show up, third time's a charm. When J is 1, 5 times 1 is 5 plus 3 would be 8. And then 2, 13, and then 3. Okay, and we would keep going like that until we get to the 10. And so then we would be up to what, 53? And that would be the 10th number in the what? Sequence. So then the Greek letter means what that is, they want us to add all these up. And do you remember that formula we worked on? I said we did something like this, where I said, well, maybe let's add one maybe more in front of here. If we took 10 off from, or I'm sorry, we're going by 5s, 48 would be here then? Is that right? And if we did another one here, 43. And then, do you remember when we developed this last week? I'm pretty sure I did this. That if we write all these numbers down in the reverse order, so if I put the 53 over here and the 8 over there, and the 48 here, and the 13 there, 43 here, 18 here. If you add up all the numbers that are above and below each other right now, what do you get? You see there's 61 every time? But that's like double the numbers, right? Because we had all the first numbers, which is the answer we really wanted, adding those all up. But then we did twice as many by doing this. But we have 61. And how many 61s did we have? 10 of them? Remember this formula? And it went something, in the symbols, they wrote it something like this. The first number in the sequence plus the last number in the sequence times the number of numbers in the sequence, and then divide by 2. Because we had twice the numbers we were supposed to. So if we did this, that would be how we get our answer. So that's like 610, right? 10 times anything, you add a 0 onto the end. And then we got to divide that by 2. So is that, I think that's 305. So my answer would be 305. So all the parts to this problem, I mean, just learning or seeing how this summation thing, what it even means before, because you've probably never seen that, just means to add them all up. When you substitute this number in here, and you keep doing it until that number is 10, that gives you all the numbers in the sequence. And then you don't really have to do this step right here. I'm just showing you this step so you understand where those formulas came from. Okay, that it wasn't just some magic thing. Some guy named Gauss, I think, was the guy that noticed that he could do it that way. To get your final answer. So 305, I'm curious again if I messed that up. Let me see. I think I have to switch the screen I'm sharing or somebody else won't be able to see it. So I gotta stop that share. And I gotta share the screen that has, was it this one, I think? Nope. Let me find another screen to share. Is it this one? There it is. But now I forgot what my number was. Did I say 305? 305. Scroll down. Check it. Whoop, whoop. So, summation, Greek letter, developing the whole process. That's how it goes. Any clarifying questions from anybody on that? All right. 1.4.29.